Khan and my husband, Dr. Anand. My main aim is to create a platform to build women empowerment. Thank you.
नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। दिस इज शिल्पी फ्रॉम दुबई। मैं एक माँ हूँ और बेटी भी, बहू भी और बहन भी, पत्नी भी और दोस्त भी, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई एम अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड कॉन्फिडेंट इंडियन वुमेन who has the skill and will to rule the world. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम निष्ठा गुप्ता है और मैं न्यूयॉर्क सिटी से आई हूँ। मुझे लाइफ में नई चीज़ें ट्राई करना बहुत ही पसंद है, चाहे वो नया मेकअप स्टाइल हो या कोई नई रेसिपी। मैं यहाँ पर आई थी अपने आप को चैलेंज करने के लिए, अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकल के कुछ नया और अलग करने के लिए। मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ ग्लैड्रैग्स का और मिसेस वाडिया का, जिन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया और इस जर्नी का हिस्सा बनाया। थैंक यू।
Good evening, judges, and a very warm welcome to one and all present here. I am Keshika, hailing from the city of Moksha, Varanasi. I firmly believe that to lead a great life, one must enjoy the smallest pleasures of life and commit to a lifelong learning process. I think that's what describes me, and that is my mantra of life. As someone has rightly said, to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm strong because I know my weakness. I'm wise because I learn from my mistakes. I'm fearless because I can recognize illusion from real. I'm beautiful because I'm aware of my flaws. I'm a mother, a daughter, a wife, a multifaceted woman. I am Chaitra Potraj, a Gladrags mega model and an actor from the South Indian film industry. Today, I welcome you all to this beautiful platform that celebrates womanhood. From the Silicon City of Bengaluru, here I am to be the next Mrs. India. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, judges. मेरा नाम अपराजिता झा है और मैं पटना से हूँ. By profession, I've been an air hostess and I'm a proud mother of 2 children. I strongly believe that the hand which rocks the cradle rules the world. So thank you so much, Gladrags, Mrs. Wadia, for giving we women this platform to showcase ourselves, learn and grow. Thank you so much.
Good evening. I'm contestant number 10, Nina from Goa. After a long corporate career in banking and finance, I decided to follow my passion. And currently, I run a travel company which caters exclusively to women. I'm hoping that this platform that Gladrags has given me will help me further causes that are very dear to my heart. Thank you.
Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Saudamini Naik. I'm a computer engineer and I have pursued my master's in mathematical finance from Rutgers University. I work with a hedge fund today. I believe that it is very important that all the women in our country have the freedom, the liberty, and the choice to do and pursue what they want. I very firmly believe in the power of a woman. I think the essence of a woman is her power to teach, to love, share, and care. Thank you.
हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो. These are the lines I truly believe in, and I wish every woman should go out to follow her dreams. I am Anuja Shinde, a mother, a model, a fitness trainer. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ डॉक्टर तनुश्री पांडे. सारी ज़िंदगी किताबों के साथ ही बिता दी. I was very content with my life, but I always thought an aspect of womanhood still had to be explored. Thanks to Mrs. Wadia and Gladrags, I feel content. ये सफ़र बहुत खूबसूरत था, बहुत कुछ सीखा. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की रात भी बेहद हसीन होगी। थैंक यू।
Good evening. Namaste Pune. Woman is human. She's not better, wiser, stronger, more intelligent, more creative, or more responsible than a man. Likewise, she's never less. मैं स्वाति गरड पटेल पूना से proud to be a woman. Have a lovely evening ahead. Thank you.
Namaste. Compassionate, classy, and very practical, मैं हूँ Anika Agrawal from Delhi. The meaning of my name is a leader, and I'm proud to say I have excellent leadership qualities. Giving up does not come easily to me. So here I am today to put my best foot forward. Hope you enjoy the evening.
Good evening everyone. मेरा नाम हितिका है और मैं मेलबर्न से आई हूँ. I like to keep positive attitude towards life. I feel that life is beautiful. We just need to learn to live it. I hope you all have a great evening tonight. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं शामल केदार, सपनों के शहर मुंबई से. मॉडलिंग और एक्टिंग मेरी खूबियाँ है. I have a simple and a charming personality, and I believe that everyone should have that. I love traveling and I get inspired by meeting new people in life. Thank you.
Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. Everyone, these are our top 15 contestants tonight. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India.
Let me get the excitement a little higher tonight, this evening, because I have the privilege and I feel extremely honored to call on stage these lovely players from Kings 11 team. Guys, put your hands together as I call on stage. I have Maxwell. Can I call on stage Miller?
You to formally introduce all your players. Tell us something that probably these guys don't know about them. We've seen them play, but something that you'd like to add to that?
Well, the first on the right is obviously everybody knows Glenn Maxwell. His passion, you know what his capabilities are on the cricket field, but more than that, if there's one passion which runs far deeper in him, is more that of golf than cricket. So even after this night, he's going to wake up at 5:30 in the morning and head out to the golf course. So that's his special quality.
Well, we'll let you know where we are partying at 5:30 in the morning, so feel free to join us for that as well. Come on.
About David Miller, what can I say? He's a very intelligent fellow, typical South African, very straight, disciplined, and focused on the tasks. Rishi Dhawan is from Himachal Pradesh, one of the top all-rounders in Indian cricket, and he's a rising star in Indian cricket. Thisara Pereira, part of the Sri Lankan World Cup team and a very capable all-rounder. And by the looks of it, I think he can definitely act in one of the South Indian films. Buron Hendricks from South Africa, left arm fast bowler not many people have seen, but he's got special abilities, and in times to come he'll probably become the most successful bowler in T20
Wow,
cricket.
wishing you all the best.
Sean Marsh, he's got a great pedigree. He's son of the legend Jeff Marsh, the Australian cricketer. His brother also plays for Australia, Mitchell Marsh.
We've done all the cricket talks that we had to, okay? Let's talk women, gentlemen. So tell me, what is it that you guys are expecting from all these married, please remember the word married women here tonight? What is it that you guys are going to be looking for?
I'm expecting them to be very well spoken on stage. Obviously, we're going to be sending them some curly questions, but yeah, I'm expecting them to answer them very well, and hopefully we can judge them on that. Okay, all right. What about the others? Anyone who'd want to volunteer? We can go one after the other. Oh, let's talk to the newly married man who's probably got more knowledge about women right now. What are you looking? Are you looking at other women tonight, or are you okay not looking at all tonight?
I'm looking at him because I have to judge him, but
yeah, that's what they all say.
No, I'm looking forward to it. It'd be interesting to see how the girls go, and I'm looking forward to judging them.
So, okay, I have an idea. Quick idea, and you definitely have to be a part of this. So we've seen the women model. Give us women also a chance to judge you men when you walk down the ramp. Can we do that? Everyone, can we do that? Now, can we please have a very nice number? And I request all you people to take that walk of fame, and I request you to please take your seats as you walk down from the ramp. All right, woohoo!
Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Glad rags, Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, what every woman wants to be.
Come on guys, give a huge round of applause to Kings of MSC, our judges tonight.
She's the woman, she's made a mark, she's come so far.
Well, thank you all. You guys are all very, supportive. Now, time to meet the other three judges tonight. First and foremost, a woman who's discovered and made more, famous stars than probably what you see in the sky. Her discoveries range from Aishwarya Rai to Kangana Ranaut, Lara Datta to Mugdha Godse, Koina Mitra, John Abraham, Dino Moria, Sonu Sood, Terence Lewis, Siddharth Shukla, Karan Grover. I know I can go on and on and on tonight. I'm talking about none other than Mrs. Maureen Wadia herself. Come on, give her a round of applause.
Well, thank you all guys. I guess you haven't been at a beauty pageant recently, but you've been in a stadium. Thank you very much for being with us, and congratulations on your victory. I'm very proud to have with us today Natasha, who needs no introduction. This beautiful lady lives in this beautiful city, Pune.
Thank you for having me with you. It's a great honor to be judging your amazing competition. Thank you so much.
And of course, it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to my son, Miss, who's not going to speak. So thank you very much for being with us, and let's get back to the Mrs. Indias.
All right, with that, after having met the judges, let's take this finale night forward. All right, now there was a time, when जब हम लोग बात करते थे एक married woman की, एक शादीशुदा औरत की, so the thoughts that would probably cross our mind was non-glamorous, out of shape, no hopes, aspirations, a dull life, a life of responsibility, or however you may put it. But now the word married women, the idea, the perception of marriage has changed. Today, she's the pride and glory of course, her husband. Glamorous is an understatement. The married women these days are definitely the new sexy and of course style personified. It's time to meet the finalists one more time in another avatar, coming on stage in their exotic bridal wear. Well, now you know why they call us the better halves. Guys, put your hands together for the finalists of the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India. This is the finale night. Let's have a huge round of applause for our contestants tonight.
Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, what every woman wants to be. Woman, she's the woman, soul of the family. Woman, she's the woman, she's made a mark, she's come so far. Woman, she's the woman, pride of India. She is the mother who gives all she can. She is the wife who stands by her man. She is a role model for everyone, celebrating life. She's the one. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Glad Rags Mrs. India. Woman, she's the woman, when things are tough she's always there. Woman, she's the woman, with love she fills the air. Woman, she's the woman, she's perfect from head to toe. Woman, she's the woman, always on the go. She is the rock that never breaks. She is the winner, she has got what it takes. She is a role model for everyone, celebrating life. She's the one. Glad Rags Mrs. India. 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 Glad Rags Mrs. India.